Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to organize files into folders in Basecamp. All right. So first up, log into your Basecamp account and open up the project that contains the files. Okay. Now in here, find docs and files. If you can't find it, go to the top right, click on three dots, click on Setup Tools, and make sure that docs and files is enabled. Go back in here, click on it again. And then as you can see, I have two files in here. Just for example, I'm going to click on New and then Upload Files. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload random photos in here. Okay, for example, this one right here, and this one as well. Then I'm going to hit on Open. Just wait for it to upload and then just post to the project. Okay, there you go. And once that's done, again, click on New at the top left and just make a new folder. Okay, click on it. Now give your folder a name, for example, Random Stuffs. Hit on Save. Now what you'll do next is just go ahead and select an item that you wanted to move to a folder. Okay, drag, drop, drag, drop, drag, and drop. That is it. And if you want to make your life easier, you can go ahead and choose List View right here. Just drag and drop or filter it out. Okay, by name or date modified or date created. Again, I'm going to go ahead and add a new folder. Make a new folder, File, Links. Save. Links right here. There you go. And you're done. As you can see here, it's now well organized. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.